tutorial on adding colors into Friesens. Again, we shouldn't be adding every single color we want, just rather the colors that we will be using on the spread for everybody. This is going to be in the Build It tab, and then we go into Settings at the top. I probably have access to a lot more settings than you do, but all you need access to is this colors side. So here you can see our panel of colors. This is actually my second time filming this, so it's already missing a color that I'll show you how we would add back. But if I wanted to delete a color, I can just simply click on the trash bin and it will delete permanently. I can't get that back anyway. So make sure if you are deleting one, you are doing it properly and nicely. We can click on that little pencil button to edit it. The colors that are currently in here, I'm going to close out of this. The aquamarine, citric, fuchsia, Klein blue, and what will be the tangerine after I add it, are all colors from our cover. So I'm going to just open this for you real quick so you can see. These were all colors that our cover artist used in creating our cover, so I added them into our yearbook so we can be consistent across those. So that's our bright red, that's our kind of citric green, this aquamarine, this darker blue, and this fuchsia. We're going to keep those colors around. The other ones we can definitely change and modify. So for example, if I wanted to go in and add a color, I see that we wanted FR338, which is a bright blue. Go ahead and name it. When you name it whatever color you think fits it, as well as that code number, so we can go and find it again later. We type in the CMYK, C is for cyan, which in this case was 100, the magenta is 8, and the Y is 0, the black is 0, and then I click save. Now it's there, it's accessible, it can be used on the spread. I'm going to go and add back in that tangerine, which I had accidentally deleted in my previous video. I'll make this available for you guys, the original colors, just in case something gets deleted. Again, you can label it tangerine, there's 0 cyan, there's 83 magenta, 80 yellow, 0 black, click save, and now it's back in there and able to be used again. Yeah, so pretty simple, pretty easy. This is how we add in our colors from the Friesens Process Color Guide. The deep purple, FR248, the orange, FR052, and the pink, FR182, and now this bright blue. Those all come from the Process Color Guide. Remember, we want to make sure that we are choosing colors that are in this, not necessarily colors that we find online or that look good on the screen, because how they look on the screen is going to be a lot different from how they print. So, once we have our color palette nailed down, I'll get us printouts so we can hang them up on the wall so people can kind of visualize what it'll look like. Because sometimes when we see these colors on the screen, they don't actually look like how they'll print. So, that was that. Next step is going to be learning how to add these colors into Adobe Express. So, stay tuned in the next video for that.